the 4th of July, and Jillian is vlogging too. There's Jillian, there's Morgan, and we are running a marathon right now.
Walking a marathon.
Walking a marathon. Whatever. Okay, so yeah, and it is like in the Palisades, and there's.
Get him, Denise.
We just tried to cross, and they like wouldn't let us cross the finish line. It was so awkward, but it was so
like
funny.
taking this video, and they're like all numbers to the side. Straighten those legs, love.
Hey guys, so we were just at the parade, and there's Jillian, and now we are at this block party.
Yes.
So yeah, and we're gonna go get some food.
It's very quiet here, but you can just go in circles forever.
Hi, baby. Hi, honey. Aww. No. We were just doing like the water bottle challenge, you know? We were just doing that, and I got it.
Oh wait, just do it for the vines.
Okay, guys, so we are back from the block party, and she's vlogging too.
Yes,
And yeah, and I don't know. We're just back. Oh, okay, and we are gonna go swimming in their pool right before we see the fireworks. Hi!
Love, throw one like right over here.
I'm looking through the camera so I can't see.
Oh, here, throw one right here.
Guys, do you like my nails? Aren't they so cute? For like 4th of July. And then the other hand, but they're kind of coming off because I did it like 2 days ago. I also did my mom's, and they look really cute. They're like red, white, and blue.
She also did mine.
Okay, guys, so we're going in the pool now, and there's the pool, and there's the ocean over there. So, yeah, so we are going swimming now. It's so pretty, the sunset. Guys, you probably can't hear us. Oh my gosh, I almost slipped. Okay, but I'm cutting that out. We are so late for the fireworks right now, and they're like starting in 5 minutes, and we're still in the house, and we're all rushing, and it's awful, and I'm so sunburned. Guys, you probably can't see me, but we are running down the street because we have to catch the fireworks. Oh my gosh, let's go. Go. We are back from the fireworks, and it was really fun, and we made it. And my face is like so sunburned right here.
Aw, love. We totally forgot to put on sunscreen.
I know, and we went in the pool and stuff. And so yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye.